Hello, and welcome to the Rhythm Trainer by Rhythmicity. Today, we will give a brief overview of the rhythm tutorial. You can get to the rhythm tutorial in two different scenarios. Number 1. Double tapping any rhythm that you don't fully understand. Number 2. The rhythm tutorial is triggered when you play a rhythm 3 times in a row, incorrectly. Let's try our first option. By going into the level 4 deck and picking a rhythm that we would like to send into the rhythm tutorial. Let's select a rhythm. We are ready to go into the rhythm tutorial. Once you're in the tutorial, just follow the directions and practice as long as you like, or until you fully understand the rhythm. It is best practice to count along out loud or to yourself with the tutorial. This will increase your understanding of the rhythm. Now, let's double tap the rhythm to go into the tutorial.
Welcome to the tutorial. Listen carefully as I play and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now it's your turn to play and count. 1 and 2 and ready and play and. Congratulations, you did an awesome job. Keep up the good work. Goodbye.
And that's the rhythm tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. And if this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. Till next time, have a great practice.